In today's video, I will show you how to make money online. Do you know that if you know how to make money online through social media, your life will definitely be easier? Yes, and in today's segment, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money using Facebook. Yes, if this strikes as something you're interested in, without mincing words, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I also have a free gift for you, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the very end. So let's get right into today's business. So guys, do you spend hours scrolling through Facebook? What if I told you that those scrolls can turn into sales? Yes, in today's video, I'm sharing real actionable ways to make money online using Facebook. So whether you are a stay-at-home parent or a side hustler or someone that is just looking for another or an extra source of income, guess what? There's something for you. Go ahead, grab your cup of coffee and let's dive right into it. Make sure that you stick around all the way till the end. Yes, because I'm going to be sharing my favorite pro tip to boost your earnings. So first thing you need to do is to go ahead and start a Facebook page or a Facebook group. Yes, you heard me right. There's money to be made. So make sure that you get your pen and paper and listen attentively because class is about to begin. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So besties, after starting your Facebook page or your group, first question is this: do you have a passion or a topic that you love talking about? Maybe like fitness, parenting hacks, or even unique collectibles. Do you know that creating a Facebook group around a niche that you're actually passionate about can help you build a community of like-minded people? And here is where the magic happens. Once you have followers, then you can monetize your group through ads. People would, want to send their posts, into the group. So one thing you do is to charge people to post into the Facebook group. Yes, so that's one way to make money using Facebook groups. Yes. And then you can also use sponsored posts or even affiliate links. I mean, imagine getting paid to share what you already love. The key is engagement. So talk to your audience, answer their questions, and make them feel valued. Another thing you can do is to sell products or services. Do you know that you can sell products directly on Facebook? Yes, Facebook Marketplace. Yes. They also have Facebook shops. Yes, so Facebook shops make it super easy. So whether you're decluttering your home, you're selling handcrafted items or jewelry, or offering professional services like tutoring, graphic design, Facebook actually connects you to buyers instantly. Here is a quick tip. Do you know that using high quality photos and detailed descriptions make a huge difference? Do not forget to also ask happy customers to leave their reviews on your page. Yes, so on your Facebook page. Also offer social media management. Are you already a social media person? Pausing. Get in here, we need to talk. Do you like social media? Do you find yourself just going on Instagram, going on Facebook, just on social media all day? You can turn that passion into money, into profit for yourself. I'm telling you. Since you already loved social media, why not help businesses manage their Facebook presence? Yes, so do you know that small businesses are always looking for someone to create posts for them, to engage with their audience, and to also grow their pages? You can charge per post, by the hour, or even monthly. Yes, so charge a monthly retainer, more like a monthly salary. Yes, from each of these brands or small businesses that you help to manage their Facebook pages. Yes, so I hope you know that this is something that people do for a living. Plus, guess what? It's a skill that is in high demand. So your earning potential is endless. Another way to make money is to create and sell content. If you're a creator at heart, Facebook is actually your playground. You can write ebooks, you can create online courses, or even design printables and sell them through your page or your group. The key here is to provide value. Do you know that you can also solve a problem? You can entertain or educate your audience, because the more you connect with them emotionally, the more likely they are to invest in whatever it is that you are offering. Now, Facebook ad services. This is something, for people that love analytics, businesses are ready to pay you big bucks, yes, to create effective Facebook ads. You can also earn commission or a flat fee, yes, so by helping them to target the right audience. Now, you can write compelling copy and even design eye-catchy visuals for these companies. If you're new to ads, don't worry, there are lots of free resources to get that started for you. Now, do you also know that you can monetize your videos? Are you a video person like me? Do you know that Facebook in-stream ads can earn you here? They can help you to earn money from your video content. So whether you're sharing cooking tutorials, funny skits, inspiring stories. As long as your videos are getting views, you can earn money. Your content, just so you know, your content needs to be engaging and has to be, of high quality. And what I would advise you to do is to invest in good lighting. Yes, invest in clear audio, and most importantly, just be yourself. So guys, here is the secret sauce to making money on Facebook. Yes, the answer here is consistency, quality, and understanding. Just start small, learn as you go, and watch your efforts pay off over time. Now, I'm curious, are you using Facebook to earn money? Go ahead and drop your tips in the comments. I want to also learn from you. We are here to inspire and learn from one another. Do not forget to also hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and share this video with your friends. Imagine starting your Facebook group or your Facebook page today, and the next thing is you're getting paid every single month just by creating that Facebook group. Sorry, I'm so used to YouTube because I'm a YouTube coach. So yes, guys, that is all about it. So if you're new to this channel, by all means, I want to know you. Yes, you heard me, and I mean it from the depth of my heart. I want to know you, and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. I love you guys. I see you, and I truly, truly appreciate every single one of you from the depth of my heart. God bless you real good. So if you're new here, I was not missing words. Oh yeah, represent yourselves in the comments. What is your name? Where are you watching from? What do you do for a living? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Also do well to forward this video with your friends. Yes, I mean, who doesn't want to, don't you want your friends to win? I'm sure you want your circle to win. You guys want to drive in Lamborghini together. You want to pull up to an event together, all driving your Rolls Royce, and you know how you do it. So guys, if you're seeing me for the very first time, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. While you introduce yourself, think I'll forget, this is the third time I'm reminding you to introduce yourself. So yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments. So guys, my name is Miriam. I live here in California with my amazing husband and my beautiful kids. I'm a wife, as you can tell. I'm a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize it from the very first day. And just so you know, I also sell gold jewelry. Yes, so if you're interested in getting your gold customized, yes, like what I'm putting on here right now, yes, if you want a 24 karat gold, just shoot me an email, or I'm gonna put my website in the description. Yes, so if you're interested in getting gold for yourself or your loved ones, just hit me up. Your girl has always got you covered. It's all about business. I was talking to my friend earlier this afternoon, and she said, Miriam, you are the business mogul. You are the real business tycoon. I've never seen anyone. My brothers, my sisters, waiting for do now. Okay. Oh yeah, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I really would like to know you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? I'm always excited to read your comments on this channel. So thank you all so much for interacting with me. I hope to read from you, and I also hope that this will not be your last time on this channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also turn on your notification bell. And don't forget to also check out my previous videos so that we can, how we do it now, we can be besties. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl Chastise. God bless you. In case someone has showed you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. Take care guys, and God bless you. Bye for now. Bye guys.